In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Juvo power wheelchair to the ECON-W Programming Station and back up its parameters to your PC. ECON-W works with the ICON control system. To connect to a wheelchair, open the ECON-W Programming Station. Then log in by clicking the My Ottobock button. Register a My Ottobock account if you haven't already. After signing in, a window appears in the programming station showing the account details. Confirm with OK. The wheelchair can now be connected either via cable or via Bluetooth. In this example, we'll show the Bluetooth connection. After selecting the Bluetooth icon, the device list appears. It displays all previously connected wheelchairs. To connect to a wheelchair from the list, Bluetooth or ECON-W must be activated on that wheelchair. Once the wheelchair is selected, confirm the pairing on the wheelchair to establish the connection. The programming station then starts reading the wheelchair parameters. Depending on the configuration and installed modules, this process can take up to 1 minute. Next, the Start window opens, showing the connected system and the parameter menu. To create a backup, select File, Save As. Save the parameter set to your PC using the wheelchair's serial number, the current date, and any additional notes.